Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? How you all doing? You know, it's a challenge in the garden because you dealing with animals that also looking for food, and sometimes the food you grow, that's what they love to attack. I had a nice big squash coming here. This is one of these big massive squash coming here. They mess with it, and what they do, they come and they eat out half of it and leave it there to rot. So I come up with this little trick here because we know they cannot come through metal and they cannot go through brick. So what we do, we put a metal galvanized to the bottom, and if you notice, you see one of the squash growing up there and you see a next one growing up there. This one, it ain't pollinators yet, so this is why I create this, put this over it, so it's still able to get the air and it's still able for the bee to get access to it. This one down, they already pollinated. These are the real massive, squash. But guys, this is where it get to, and it get to a point now where if we don't protect our plants, our food, we're not gonna get food very soon. All right? So this is what I'm gonna show you guys, the update, because these are some real nice squash. You see how it done shape coming up there? So I'm trying to protect them. And how can I do that? I have to put the metal to the ground and the bricks around it. What you guys think? Please leave in the comment section what you guys think, and please leave your thoughts and your ideas that we can all work together and able to eat our food, get access to our food. Thank you.